Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that is something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So today I have like the most exciting thing to show you guys ever. I received this huge package from NYX here regarding their brand new Gimme Super Stars collection. We've got new eyeshadow palettes, a new highlighter palette even, some beautiful lip toppers as well, look at these, as well as some amazing like gift kits and stuff of some of their best-selling products. So we have a lot to jump into today. So if you want to see this review slash tryout video, first impressions of the NYX Super Stars Gimme collection, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
So much goodies to try out, so I'm so excited to get into this. So I already have done my face makeup, so there is a face palette in here though, so let's start off with that. I'm very excited. So this is the Gimme Super Stars highlighting quad. Check this beautiful packaging out. Oh my gosh. So this is what the palette looks like right here. We have 4 beautiful shades, like 2 goldy shades and then even a purple and pink. Let's take a bit of this pink because I'm very curious about it. I'm just gonna apply it to the cheeks. Oh, it's very subtle, but definitely pink. Can you guys see that? A bit of this bronzy gold and mix it with this gold. Just brush that on. They're definitely like more subtle highlights with some glitter in them. So if that's kind of what you like, I would recommend, but they're definitely not as extreme as I thought they would be. I did just try like their gold bars in my last video, so maybe that's the comparison I was going for. So definitely more of a subtle palette, but it was definitely fun to play with. All right, so next we have some eyeshadow palettes to play with. So let me open this up. So these are what the 2 palettes look like right here. Here is the first palette. It's like all glitters and we have some nice metallic shades. We have like a nice charcoal, a blue, a gold, some like purpley taupe shades, very pretty. And here is the second palette. Wow, this is like very purpley. I'm like really eyeing this shade right here. And this one is Crystal Flex. So these are the new palettes, 5 shades in each, really cute. I love the little stars on the packaging. So this is a little eyeshadow and liner set. I'm pretty sure this isn't new. Like, I don't think it's a new product. I think it's just in their like holiday packaging. I don't think I'm gonna open this today. I might gift it just because I have so many other products. And I think this palette is one of their like original palettes. It's the That's the Point eyeliner right here. And then we have the Ultimate eyeshadow palette right here. Yeah, so this is definitely one of their regular palettes, just in a nice cute holiday packaging. This is perfect if you want to gift to someone that loves makeup. I promise you they'll probably love this, so that's really cool. Okay, so let's play with these. I'm really eyeing this beautiful like purple palette, so I'm gonna take the purple in the center here. It's a matte purple. It's actually the only matte shade in these palettes. I'm gonna start patting this on the outer corner just slightly. Take it in a little bit too in the crease. These are blending nice, which is always lovely to see. Purple shades are a little harder to do, but this is just doing everything it's supposed to. I am now gonna take purple shade, pat it out on the outer corner to deepen that up a little bit. I might have to use my finger with these. Then I'm gonna take the brush I was blending out my crease with and use this to kind of blend those purples in together. I really want to play with this beautiful gold. It's like a duochrome. It's like gold and pink at the same time. Wow, look at that, so pretty. I need that on my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead And place this on my lid. It's definitely very glittery. Like less of a shimmer, more glitter. Now I'm gonna take this like lilac purple shade also on my finger. It is a shimmer, but as you can see, it's not as glittery. And this is gonna be kind of the connection color between the gold shimmer and the purple shimmer. I'm gonna take the light purple shade and put this on the lower lash line. And then with the darker purple, kind of go on the outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm gonna take some of the gold and then I want to dig into the other palette, the Kissing My Stars one, and I'm gonna take this nice chocolatey brown, which is the shimmer, and I'm gonna build this on this outer corner to just add a little bit of some brown to this purple look. Now I'm going to take the highlighter palette we were using earlier, and I'm going to take the purple shade, I think that's fitting, and place this on the inner corner. Ooh. So now I do have their eyeliner to try. Now what I found interesting about this is I'm pretty sure it's just the same eyeliner as their Money Heist collection, just in different packaging. I think it's just their regular like ink liner, but they just release it like with each collection, different packaging. But this is part of their like the Gimme Super Stars collection. I've never tried this liner, so I'm very excited. I love the gold packaging, super cute. So I'm just gonna do a wing today, definitely something more like intense. It's a very watery eyeliner. This eye look is giving me very Ariana Grande with like very Rem Beauty actually. It's always nice to find a nice drugstore liner. Not part of this collection, but I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick and also add some mascara. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I have finished up the eyes and now it is time to do the lips. We have a ton of lip products here to try out. Some new, some old, but let's take a look. We have some more like gift sets. So we have the Gimme Super Stars Soft Matte Lip Vault. Now these I don't think are new. Yeah, so it's this is a little collection starring their 5 best-selling shades in the range of deep nudes. So these are really nice. I'm excited to dip into these. I haven't actually tried this formula from NYX, so very excited about that, but this isn't like a new product, so if you guys want to see a separate video on these, I can. I kind of wanted to focus more on trying out like the new products today. Then we also have their Butter Gloss Trio. I have tried these. They're really like creamy pigmented lip glosses, and I think again there is just a little like nice gift set of some of their 3 shades, so I think that's awesome. These are so cute for the holidays, perfect for gift giving. And then we have the Lip Gloss Vault. So again, these are their lip glosses like I was talking about, but we have a lot of shades here. So this is their holiday mega 14-piece vault. Choose wisely, your glossy look is in your hands. So this is really nice. We have a bunch of shades in here going from like light nudes to pink to deeper nudes to like reds and burgundies. So that is awesome. Thank you so much, NYX, for sending me these. And then we have their matte lip vault. And this is what this looks like right here. Dun, da, da, da. Look at this. It's like so cute. This is so perfect. Like such pretty lipstick shades. Now I never actually have tried these lipsticks from NYX. More of a deep like taupey brown. Featuring 12 shades, this vault will be the answer to all matte lovers' dreams. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So I'm gonna grab the shade La La Land. Look how cute this is. I love the little heart. Oh, these are so cute. I cannot wait to even take these traveling, or these are like the perfect size for me because I have so much makeup and I love using lipsticks, so I cannot wait to try these. Very quickly, I'm just gonna use a Rimmel liner to slightly line the lips. I just always need like an outline before I go in with lipstick. This actually looks more red than I thought, so maybe let's try something a bit more brown. In the shade Cold Brew, yes. Ooh, yes, maybe we'll do like a nice little mix. So this is Cold Brew. Nice and pigmented. Definitely more on the dry side of like lipsticks. Like a little bit more waxy, but from that I can tell that these would last a long time. But that is just so cute. And then I'm gonna go to the shade La La Land, which is a bit more warm tone. Kind of pat this in the middle. Yeah, these definitely seem like they're gonna be long wearing. They're not like super creamy, very waxy. Last but not least, for the lips, we have like the most exciting thing I have ever seen. These are brand new. These are their Gimme Super Stars Plumping Lip Toppers. Look how cool these are. I think we need to open all of these to swatch. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. How pretty. I'm literally gonna put this on my tree. It is so beautiful. Wow. In the shade 24K Lit. Little swatch. Ooh, they're like very creamy glosses. There is that one right there. Just a nice gold glossy lip. And this one is in the shade Pearl Please. This one might be the one we're using today. Look at this. It's like purple iridescence. Just amazingness. Wow. Look at that glitter in there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm obsessed. And then the last shade I have is like this purple shade. This one's definitely a little deeper in the shade Flame and Fortune. And this is what this one looks like. So pretty also. Let's give this a swatch. Ooh, this would look so pretty over a deep burgundy lip. So there's the 3 shades I have. So there are 3 shades in the range. So these are the 3 that they came out with. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in with the shade Pearl Please over this lip. That is so pretty. They feel very moisturizing and like they latch on really well to the lips. So I feel like they would actually last a long time. Ooh, and they're like a little bit tingly too. I cannot wait to like use these all holidays long. Like, could you imagine this gold on New Year's? I'm obsessed. Cannot wait. All right, guys, so there are all the products in the brand new Gimme Super Stars collection from NYX. I'm so excited about these products. I really enjoyed these palettes they came out with. Even the highlighter palette, it's definitely more subtle, but very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, these are like plumping. I can feel like the burning sensation, very similar to like the Too Faced glosses, but yeah, these are super cool. Cannot wait to try those. And I also loved some of the gift sets they came out with. These are so cute. Definitely gonna give these to some of my friends and family. These ones as well are just so pretty, so cannot wait to dive into these. If you guys want lip swatches on like these collections right here, let me know. I could definitely do that. But that is all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments or by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you want to see more of my content, you can go check me out on the Acne channel. I'm a weekly host on there where we do lots of content regarding acne, skincare, and it's a really informative channel. So if you're a skincare lover like me, definitely go check that out. Or if you're a fellow acne warrior, it's a great channel. I really do believe you'd like that channel. And for more daily content, you can go check out my Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia. But anyways, hope you're having a fantastic day, guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, And the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.